Welcome to Coin 6 News at 10 on Portland CW. I'm Wayne Haverly. The surge in coronavirus cases continued this weekend in Oregon. Oregon reported 1,290 new cases today. 4 counties reported at least 100 cases and another reported 99. Marion County had the most new cases today with 218. Multnomah and Clackamas counties each reported 187. Coin 6's Jennifer Dowling is live now with a look at another deadly day in Oregon. Jennifer.
That's right, Wayne. 6 new deaths were recorded today, spread across 5 different counties, with the youngest person being 58 years old with no underlying conditions.
Times are really tough right now, not only in Oregon, but across the country.
Governor Kate Brown says state health officials continue to track high numbers of new COVID-19 cases in Oregon. She spoke Friday as infections were hitting record numbers heading into the weekend.
We are not out of this crisis yet. I know it's hard to imagine, but in fact, our hardest days still lie ahead.
Data shows that the daily new COVID cases for Oregon have been on the increase for the past couple weeks, hitting more than 10,000 this week, averaging about 1,400 per day, up from the week before when cases were at just under 9,000 and the average per day was more than 1,200.
Right now, hospitals are canceling elective procedures to free up staff to work in inpatient settings.
There is some encouraging data showing many Oregonians doing their part to curb the surge. Governor Brown said Friday that data shows more than 84% of Oregonians are wearing a mask. Transportation across the state is down by 35%, and she says cell phone mobility data tells us less people are going to the office and more Oregonians are staying home.
I know a large majority of Oregonians recognize how serious the situation is and that we are on the brink of a full-blown crisis.
State health officials say while the recent freeze has helped, there's concern that Thanksgiving gatherings could eventually lead to more increases.
But we know that with our loved ones, we often let down our guard. And so we'll be monitoring over the next week and week and a half to see if there's an increase in transmission based on Thanksgiving get-togethers and the activities in the weekend after when people. If that transmission increased significantly, that could offset some of the benefits we really were seeing from the governor's freeze.
And although Oregonians are really pitching in, as the governor said, there is still a possibility, according to the models, that the case numbers could double by Christmas, threatening hospital capacity. Back to you, Wayne.
All right, Jennifer. Well, during